treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Nissan 370Z. With just over 15,000 miles on the odometer, this sporty car combines dashing good looks with great efficiency and utility. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.